Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can join a Discord channel without an invite link. It's really quick and simple, so let's get started. So first, let's head over to our Discord app and wait for it to load. And in here, let's tap on the three horizontal bars icon and now tap on the green plus icon so we can add or create or join a server. And we want to join one, so tap on join a server. Then you just have to copy this one, https then / discord.gg then / again then the name of the server you want. Let's say you want to join Obama server, so let's join that server. And here we are now invited even though we didn't have an invite, right? So you can join that if you want, but for this tutorial we won't do that, so let's try again. Let's say for now, let's say we want to join a Discord server of Tate. Let's say Tate, and there you go, you are invited to this server even though you didn't receive an invitation. And that is how you can join any Discord server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.